So first thing you're gonna do, is on the screen when you plug your Fire Stick up and it boots up. First thing it's gonna have is registration. You should already have an Amazon account. Do not try to create an account on the Fire Stick because it will take forever to do it on the Fire Stick. If you need to create an account, create one from your phone, tablet, or your computer, and then come back in here and hit register. I already have an Amazon account, the one right here to the left. Open that up, type in your Amazon username and password, which will be an email and a password. I'm going to pause because I don't want you to know mine. So after you log in, the first thing you're going to have to do is connect to the internet. So go to network settings. I'm using a hotspot right now, so I'm going to choose mine. I'm going to pause so you don't see my password. I'm going to see connecting to network. Connection successful. It's going to say registering your Amazon Fire TV. If it gives you this code or this requirement for a code, you're going to go in from your phone. It's been doing this a lot lately. You're going to go in from your phone, go to amazon.com/code, just like it reads right there on your phone, tablet, or computer. And then it's going to ask you to log into your Amazon account. And then it's going to ask you to enter that code that's at the bottom of the screen. Enter it in capital letters. And then wait for it. And then that screen should clear on your Fire Stick on your TV screen. Pausing. So once it goes through that process of you logging in, it'll say successfully registered. Then it'll say hi, whatever name you have on your account. You hit yes, continue as. You can save the password to this internet network so that anytime you plug it in, it'll automatically connect to it. Just hit yes. Then loads the Amazon homepage. So disclaimer, everything on this page right here is subscription based. You have to basically pay for it. Some of it is free, but nothing on here you are worried about because you have the kodi build. So until you use it probably the first time, so you want to let this line here load, which is your apps and games. You want to let that load because that's where your kodi icon is, which is right there, that blue and white K, the diamond. If you don't see it here, you go into see all and you'll see it in here. You can launch it from here. If you don't see, if your apps and games never loads up and you don't see, so you can't see kodi on your front page, you're going to go up to the top here. You're going to go to settings. Then you're going to go down to applications. You're going to go down to manage installed apps. And you're going to see kodi right there. Hit it and then hit launch application. But we're going to do it from the home page because it's on the front page. So you launch kodi. We're going to let kodi launch. You're going to see something like that. This is where you're watching all of your content through kodi. This is what you spent your money on this Fire Stick for. So the One Alliance build, that's just what this is called. So you can have kodi, but you need a build to navigate through kodi. So this is the One Alliance build. You see that square over there on the right with that circle? You want to wait until that circle is gone. That means that your One Alliance build has done its natural automatic updating itself once you power it on. So you're going to see something like that little box that came down. So this, with that box over there to the right, not having a circle anymore, this build is ready to go, ready to look at content. So now, down here, where you see BET Sports, Live Sports, Live Sports, these are all categories. So for instance, anything that is in the center of this page, see movies in the center? See the elephants in the background? That symbolizes that you're on movies with the little, the ape right there. If you go to TV shows, you'll see this guy with the half face, two different men. If you see 1A, you'll see this. Reality, you'll see the earth with the clouds. That means that you're on reality. See reality in the middle? Reality means all of the documentary real stuff. Add-ons, don't really worry about that. Kids, this is where you're gonna go to watch kids movies. System, don't worry about that. Power, to power it off, don't worry about that. Favorites, if you add favorites, you'll get to that later on down the line. Fitness, if you want to work out. Yoga, Insanity, Aries Fitness, you see those things below fitness, those three things down here. Okay. Comedy, and then back to these different sports things. Okay, so to watch a movie, here's movies in the center. We're gonna let that box load. Okay, so we're on movies, it loaded up. So that box up there is what people are watching. So if you go up, you're in the box. And then you can scroll through all of these things that people are watching. So for instance, let's go to Transformers. We're gonna click on it. So it's searching through the list of providers, sites that provide links to this movie. Then it pulls up the links or the streams for the movie. You just start with the first one. How did I go down? I didn't mean to go to the bottom. We're starting with the first one. 3, 2, 1. Oops, 1. We're gonna open that, and the movie's gonna play. To stop the movie, you're gonna hit your center select button. You got all of your options up here. You're gonna go to the square, stop it. Bam, you're back at this screen. So if you don't want to go through the people are watching stuff up here, you're gonna go back down here, and you're gonna open up. So you're at movies, you're gonna go to Covenant, Elysium, or Specto. See these ones at the bottom? These are the ones that I use the most. Covenant, bam. Covenant opens up, it gives you all of these categories. So you wanna go by year. 2017. Pull up 2017 movies. There's your movies, 2017. All these different movies. Depending on how new the movie is, will depend on how good of a stream you'll get of the movie. So let's open this one for instance. Shot Caller, 2017 movie. It's gonna go through the list of providers. It's gonna go through showing you all of your links. You're gonna go to that first link, and your movie's gonna start playing. So that's how you open a movie. If you wanna go to TV shows, go to TV shows. Make sure it's in the center. Go down to one of these add-ons. That's what these are called. So you watch the TV shows, you can go down. We're on TV shows. You can go down to Covenant. You can choose one of these categories, what people are watching, most popular. So you got Game of Thrones, most popular. All these different shows, Shameless. So say you just wanted to pick one of these. Go to Game of Thrones. Go to the current season, which is season 7. And the last episode is 7. You can go over here and it tells you what this episode is about. Open it. Let it search the internet for the link. And that's going to pull up the link. Bam, click it. And it's going to start to open up the link. Bingo.
Daenerys is not her father, and she never will be. I can't make
Stop
decisions for her. You need
Here
to
at the
find
top,
a
you
way
got
to
your
make her
options.
listen.
Stop. Back. Back. If you want to use networks, go to networks. If you want to go to stars, watch power. I don't know what they're doing downstairs. Stars, power. Current season. Searching.